I don't think there's any other organization like what you're building, Jacqueline and Jeff, in the industry. So you're at the very forefront.
Hey, everybody, I'm John Riggs, and I'm a filmmaker. And yeah, appreciate you, and look forward to staying connected in this world as well. Thanks. I'm going to catch my flight, guys.
I have not ever been to a mastermind that didn't feel like a game plan. And so I fully expected this to just be putting tools in our hands for the game plan. And I loved that out the gate, you were like, oh no, throw your shoes on because this is a scrimmage game. And so we immediately started playing and assigned teams and got right in it. And I've never been a part of a mastermind like that. And to see industry giants here like Joth Riggs and George Escobar, and you made it an option for anyone to join.
We walked away with very tangible action steps, and I liked fixing stuff. And by the third session, and I had got to know people, I feel like we threw out some suggestions in there that people could actually take away.